are going to be filing a Mississippi tax return. And for me on this one, it's actually going to be a zero file. So for Mississippi, it's another one where you have to do a monthly filing. And you know that because you're getting all this stuff, right? And you can see I got like a late processed here. Good for me though, I didn't have to pay anything on that one. So you come here, you go ahead and hit your period that you need to file this return. Let me see, where do I go? Use tax, and I already submitted my one for July. Again, I did a $0 return. Wish I could show you guys, but it was honestly pretty simple. So you're gonna hit this thing called that says start by clicking here. I wonder if I clicked it already. So yeah, start here. All right, this is basically it. When you go and you hit file return, you're gonna hit this thing that says start here for lines 1 through 6. And this is actually gonna be for all of us because taxable income, you don't have taxable income, you don't have to report your purchases. So you're just gonna hit this 0 file here. You hit both of them. And then what that does is it creates a 0 file on all this. So this is one of those that you're just going to be doing 0 files, and this is Mississippi. So that's how you would file this. Again, the key thing here is clicking the start here for lines 1 through 6. It's honestly kind of confusing because why wouldn't you just show 1 through 6 to begin with? I don't know. I didn't design this, but you just click here and make sure you click these check boxes, and then you're good. Hit submit, go through it, and it's pretty simple. All right.